Kaizer Chiefs head coach Nasruddin Nabi has hinted at the possibility of bolstering his technical team following the departure of assistant coach Fernando de Cruz. Speaking after Makosi 2-1 victory over Maromo Gallants in their Betway Premiership opener at Toyota Stadium, the Tunisian tactician acknowledged the heavy workload he faces as he continues to rebuild the squad. Da Cruz's absence from the bench was notable, following his move to Moroccan Football Federation, where he accepted a new role. His departure has left Khalid Ben Youssef as the sole assistant coach under Nabi, who now finds himself managing increased responsibilities within the team. Addressing questions about appointing a replacement for Da Cruz, Nabi admitted that the idea is under consideration, but stressed that any decision will be made after further assessment. He said, "Why not? It's possible. I have a lot of work, and with only one assistant who has a specific role, we'll need to observe the situation before making any decisions." Meanwhile, speculation has arisen linking Arthur Zwane, a former first-team coach, with a return to Nabi's technical staff as a second assistant. However, Kaizer Chiefs sporting director Kaizer Motaung Jr. quickly dispelled those rumors during an interview on 947 Radio. Motaung Jr. confirmed that Zwane remains committed to his role as a senior academy coach, where he is overseeing the club's youth development program. Motaung said there is no truth to the rumors. Coach Arthur is doing excellent work at the academy and there are no plans for him to move back to the first team. Unfortunately, social media often fuels unnecessary speculation that distracts from the work we are doing. As Kaizer Chiefs continue their campaign under Nabi's leadership, the club remains focused on team development, with any changes to the technical staff set to follow a careful evaluation of their needs. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.